Hello everyone, this is Prajwal Verma from IMCD Aspirants. I welcome you all to the 39th episode of 22 Talks. In this talk show, you ask questions and we reply them in the form of videos. If you have any question regarding Merchant Navy, IMCD or anything, let us know in the comment section or DM us on Instagram. We will make sure to make a video on that particular topic. Okay, let's get started with today's topic. There's a guy on Instagram who asked me this question. Sir, what is the minimum marks in 12th I should achieve so that I can get sponsorship in any company? Okay, so let's answer this question. So answer of this question is not very formula type question like you apply F equal to ma mass into a solution, you get exact answer. Okay, this is not like that. So let's break down this question. First of all, you do not get sponsorship solely based on your board percentage. That's the first thing you should remember. There is IMUCET that you have to consider. There is your sponsorship test. There is your sponsorship interview. There are your goals and achievements. And there is your physical fitness. Okay, there are 5-6 things that will matter in this thing. Only board examination are not mandatory. But if you are asking, sir, what is the minimum percentage I should get so that I can sit in maximum number of companies or all of the companies? Okay, if your aggregate score in PCM is more than 80% and your overall percentage is also over 80%, your chances of qualifying, basic qualifying to write the exam or give interview or anything in the sponsorship step that includes board marks, I think you will do very well in all the companies, even if it's Storm, Synergy, Anglo-Eastern, many of them. Okay, because as you know, many people are getting 80%. 80% is not a huge score, but still it is a decent score. Like most of the people in Merchant Navy have scored 67, 68, 69 to 70%. I don't know why people have made this perspective in their mind that Merchant Navy does not require studying. Okay, this is fake and I don't know why. Like it's bullshit, I would say. Do not get into the trap. Score as many marks as you can. Even if you score 100% in your 10 boards or 12 boards, it is well good. Like Merchant Navy want intelligent people. Okay, so do it. So 80% is a mark that will help you qualify most of the exams. Okay, qualifying means like whenever they ask for your board percentage, like when they make merit list, like suppose you clash with most of the students, so finally they will check board marks. If your board marks is higher, 80% is decent but not very good, but in Merchant Navy it's a decent score. Okay, like it is only one phase. If you get 80%, like you are eligible for most of the companies, because some companies don't even allow you to give any further procedure if you do not have 80%. Like Tom sometimes does that. 80% is high. I know it is high. I am very sure some will write in the comment section, this company take only 70%. Like companies change from time to time. Right now Anglo is taking 75%. In future, I don't know, I don't guarantee. If average marks of students start increasing, they might increase their percentage too. Are you getting my point? So I would say from my perspective, 80% is a safe score. Okay, if you have 80%, you will be eligible to qualify for most of the term and will not have any problem wherever board marks are involved. Okay, after that, your performance in your sponsorship exams, sponsorship interview, your medical, your IMUCET, these things will matter from onwards. Okay, from there onwards, if you, first of all you have to qualify for the boards. Wherever they will talk about boards, you will be fine, but whenever after that you have to do well in all other rest 4 of the topics like IMUCET, boards, your physical fitness, and their sponsorship exam and sponsorship interview. Okay, so I think I have answered your question. Thank you very much for watching. I am IMCD Aspirants signing off.